How to find someone on Facebook. So in order to find someone on Facebook, you can head over and click on the search icon right here. And then this will actually works whenever you want it to. So for example, let's search someone named Tiara. And then as you can see, I have a friend named Tiara. Now, if you want, you can also expand your search by just searching for it and not going to the actual search suggestions. In here, you can see some posts related to this, as well as people that has Tiara, as well as groups. You can also see in here some events, some videos, some photos, pages as well. And you can also see in here some marketplace posted by that person and a lot more, as well as places that's connected with the tiara on them. So just head over and then search wherever you want to. If you're searching for someone, you can just go to your people and then just find the tiara that you're looking for. So that's how you find someone on Facebook. Hope we helped.